Research Rocks. Today we will see one more product unboxing, and that product name is a lamp H32CM. So this, why I'm purchasing this one, I am a small YouTuber and I need some of the quality of my video content. So that point of view I am purchasing. This is a lightweight lamp light, LED light, so just such kind of focus are coming on my face. So this video clarity is quite good and audience are happy after receiving some of the tech or research related video. So that point of view I am purchasing this one. It's quite good, very lightweight, and the product price just only 90 Danish krona, around 12 euro, and Indian currency around 900 INR. So we will see inside the box and features about this lamp. This is a magic booklet. If you are not understand how to use it, so you can read this booklet and understand. This is a stand, it's quite good. You just fix out here properly, that's it, and you can scroll down light like this. This is a light. This is very small, very compact, and it's very powerful. I see the store, the electric store. That's why I'm purchasing this one. And here, see, here D-type adapter is there, D-type socket. If you are using Windows laptop, so you can put it the Windows laptop. Otherwise, I have old iPhone charger, so I just put it here and then put it the electric socket, and my light is on now. So if you are see here, the video clarity is suddenly changed, and I just reduce some of the light like this, and I increase the light. You can change the light color also like this. You can see the color, changing the color of light. You can increase the brightness also, this specific light. And now I just off. First of all, I fix out here. You can use your big tripod also for the fixing point of view. So you can put it outside the table and then on this one. So like this. If this is a small, very compact light, and I can increase some of the video features. So you can like this. You can change the location of the light, which portion you are comfortable to increase the brightness of your face or the specific content. So it's very good like this. I just off the light, so you can see my face, little bit darkness is coming. Now I just simply on the light, and some of the brightness are coming, colors in my face and this particular video. So audience are happy after providing such kind of contents, very clear, very effectiveness. So definitely subscriber also gain. If you really like this video, it's a small unboxing and informative video regarding the which light is comfortable and affordable for your budget small YouTuber. So this is one of the best option. Link is available on video description. If you really like this video, so before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.